He said that I'm good enough, grabbing my da-da-da, think about shit that I should've known. So I told him this one of me, he making fun of me. He's as good as a bun of me, like that boy is a cap. Say he ain't home, but I know where he at. Like, better blow on back, think about me cause they know that ass fat. And it been when it been, call his phone like you send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when it hit me I'm not gon' respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak this I mean we're through. Doing that sneaky shit that you do.